So today we're going to do a comparison between the CCM anti-mist and a competitor anti-mist. We're asked all the time, how good is your anti-mist? Well, really, the following demonstration will show. So on this piece of glass here, we've got the competitor anti-mist here and the CCM anti-mist here. Now, I'm just about to pull into shot here, the famous no expense spared kettle. And we're going to use, it's a pretty tough test this, but it's going to show the efficacy of this coating. So they're both transparent, both do a job. This one you can just wipe on. This one we supply a spray and some wipes and you wipe it on. But they're both transparent, good visibility. But it all changes when it's subjected to stress. And in this instance, we're going to be using steam. It's a tough test, I know, but it's a good test. So here we have the two coatings. This side, CCM, this side, a standard competitor coating. So the steam will come up now, and you'll see there's a lot of steam on there. And we put it on the CCM side. Excellent visibility. On the other coated side, poor visibility. I know which product I would prefer. So that's a simple exhibition of CCM versus a standard competitor that we get in the UK market. Massively, massively better.